First, wash the client's hair to make sure scalp is fully cleaned. You can cut some of the top, but make sure you don't cut too much. You should try and start your fade low. Don't fade too high so that you can have space to blend the hair. To find the front line, apply 4 fingers from the client's eyebrow. Mark your line there or where the client desires. Apply 1 layer of Royal Crown Scalp Protector. Then apply 3 layers of Royal Crown Mighty Tight Adhesive, 1/2 inch from the front line. Apply Royal Crown hair unit from front to back. Cut off any extra hair that overlaps, complete the desired hairstyle, then you're done.